Father, I praise you as my healer, the one who heals all my diseases. You are the restorer of my body, my mind, and my soul. Whether through miracles, medicine, or the ultimate healing of eternity, I trust in your power to make me whole. I bring every area of brokenness in my life to you, knowing that you are faithful to bring restoration and renewal. Lord, I thank you for redeeming my life from the pit. When I was lost, when I was surrounded by despair and hopelessness, you reached down and lifted me out. You are my Savior and Redeemer, turning my mourning into joy and giving me a future filled with hope. No matter how dark the situation, I trust that your hand will guide me to safety and deliverance.